Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2022 Hot Wheels. Today we have a Fast and Furious 70 Dodge Charger from the Baja Blazer series, number 9 of 10 and number 129 of 250 on the year. I expected this to be a screen time, but this time it's a Baja Blazers 70 Dodge Charger. Oh, it's got something going on right there. Got the arrows anyway. So what does that mean? Suspension? Let's get it out and find out. I don't think I've ever opened one of these. This might be my first time opening up one of these Fast and Furious Chargers. These ones with the 4x4s. Weird. Is that considered a sunroof? It's on just the passenger side. Driver's side is on the left. Two wheels. They plan on having getting double flats. All four wheels. Roll well. This is one bad ride. Nice shiny black. Wow, what a smooth roller too. Look at that. Woohoo! Oh yeah. This is the one I like on my track here. Smash! Oh no! Boom! Alright, I like it backwards better than frontwards. But front does work. Let's try it backwards one more time. We'll do one slam in one. Ready? Boom! Smash up derby. I scored a few of these, so I get to play around with this one, and then I'll keep some in the package. Does it drift? It better drift. It's got these killer tires on it, so it should be a good drifter. Right to the line. It's got a nice, it's got a nice feel to it when you let it go from your hand. Right to that line. Ready? See if I can do it intentionally. Ready? Perfect. Donuts. Smash. Sweet. Perfect. Nice looking ride too. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out with me. I'm going to enjoy putting this into the Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. Please subscribe. Until next time. T10 out.